Hey, what's up everyone? This is your boy Yashida Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel guys, I would like you to kill more than smash that little subscribe button, okay? So in this video guys, I'm about to do I'm gonna do a review, okay, and we're gonna set this PC build together, okay? As you can see, this was finally delivered yesterday. Alright, so let's unpack them and let's put all of that together. Alright, so strap in because this is gonna be a long tutorial. Okay, and also hit that like a button. Alright, so what do we have here? Okay, here we have the up here. Okay, this is up here. I believe this is RGB fans. Okay, it has as you can see, so okay, it has 5 packs RGB fans and this some sort of stickers. Alright, so as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 520 millimeters RGB fans. Okay, just put that up over there. Here we have our Vitro. Okay, our Vitro U6 Pro CPU cooler. Alright, so this is a dual tower CPU cooler. Just put that up. Oh my god, this is big, it's heavy. And this is a WD Blue 500 gigabytes, okay, and NVMe SSD. Alright, and as you can see, there's nothing much in the box, so we're just gonna throw that down. Okay, so this is a PC case. Alright, so let's box. Okay, so here's our PC case. Alright, well strapped in. Alright. Alright, so this is metal. Okay, it is full metal. Like this. Alright, here we go. And here, as you can see, it is the side panel. Here's our case, Antec. This is tempered glass. Okay, as you can see here on the standoff handle with care. Alright, here we have to remove that later. Alright, so on top, what do we have? A power, the reset, USB 2.0, audio jack, and USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 as well. Alright, so unfortunately only two 120 millimeters or 140 millimeters fans will will set here, okay, on it too. And then inside I'm gonna remove this stock. Okay, you can see there's a stock fan. I'm gonna remove that and replace that with RGB. Okay, now let's tear down this last box. Okay. And in here we have the motherboard, which is the Asus Prime B450MA micro ATX. Okay, so this is the B form factor. Okay, as you can see, alright, so let's put that aside. Oops. Right there. And what we have here, we have our power supply. Alright, so this is RS Game AGV 650 watts power supply. Alright, 80 plus bronze. What is that? Okay, so here we have our T-Force. Okay, this is 2 times 8 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes. Okay, DDR4 3200 megahertz. Alright, so this is dual. Yep. Alright, so here you can see. I'll put that aside. And in the box here we have some small papers. Okay, as you can see, all stuff. Alright, so now boys, let's get everything ready. And yeah, let's finally build this up. Yeah, oh, I forgot. Okay, my bad. This I believe is a CPU processor. So for this build, let's see what I've decided to go on. Alright, so what do we have here? Okay, so as you can see, this is a Ryzen 7. Okay, Ryzen 7 5700G. Okay, 8 cores, 16 threads. Alright, so if right now guys, because GPU prices are a lot high, okay, so this is the best that I can come up with. Alright, 700 in totals, $720 in totals, and yeah, I'm sure you'll get to play on 1080p low, medium, Fortnite, okay, AAA games, Apex Legends, Rocket League, and so on. Okay, you'll be able to play any games that you put it on here. And this is the latest AMD Ryzen 7 CPU, which is gonna be a lot. Okay, it's the world number one fastest CPU. Alright, so let's put all of this together. And okay, yeah, I'm gonna record a video, of course. Alright, set this up.